2000 common word dictation number 6. We ready? Start. The committee was apprised of the case of industrial units situated in the industrial area who, according to the then terms of lease laid down by the improvement trust, were entitled to 75% compensation, full stop. However, due to the coming of the master plan into force, subsequently the authorities were not permitting construction of buildings as was laid down in the terms of lease, full stop. It was felt that the attitude of the authorities was not fair in as much as the units, which came into existence prior to the master plan, should be governed by the terms of the original lease and not the subsequent regulations which might have come into being, full stop. It was decided that the matter now may be taken up with the concerned ministry, full stop. The committee considered a letter from Messrs. Full stop, Indian Tools Limited, full stop. It had been intimated that more and more companies were shifting their registered head offices to Delhi due to the fact that most of the concerned government departments were situated at Delhi, full stop. This naturally has caused more pressure on the available office accommodation, and this has resulted in use of residential accommodation for office purposes, full stop. The DDA and other authorities were objecting to such use of residential accommodation for office purposes in the city of Delhi, full stop. It was clarified that according to the provisions of the Delhi Municipal Corporation Act, the use of residential accommodation for office purposes is permissible on payment of additional taxes and with assurance that other residents in the area will not be disturbed in any way, full stop. The secretary will prepare and circulate the minutes, and after getting approval from the members, a copy of each will be sent to Minister of Housing and the Delhi Municipal Corporation within a week from date, full stop. It was decided that the concerned member may be advised accordingly in writing, giving full details at the earliest, full stop. The chairman was authorized to decide about the date for the next meeting of the committee in consultation with other members of the association, full stop. The chairman will take necessary action in this connection at the earliest possible opportunity and circulate the date as soon as finalized, giving sufficient time so that the members are able to present themselves, full stop. In the next meeting, secretary will bring with him a draft of the application to be filed with the Director of Industries, Punjab, to be submitted on behalf of the industrialists from the state of Punjab, full stop. If necessary, similar draft can be prepared at a later date for submission on behalf of Haryana state, full stop. There being no other item to discuss, the meeting terminated with a vote of thanks to the chair, full stop, overall.